In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Robux in Roblox. If you want to purchase items, skins, or game passes, you'll need Robux, which is the in-game currency. So let's get started. First, open Roblox on your device. Now go to the top right corner and click on the Robux icon. Then click on Buy Robux. Here, you'll see different Robux packages available. Choose the amount you want to purchase. If you have Roblox Premium, you may get extra Robux, but if not, just select a standard package. Once you select a package, you'll be taken to the payment screen. On the right side, choose your preferred payment method, such as debit or credit card. Now enter your payment details. After that, click on Pay. Wait a few seconds while the payment is processed. Once it's successful, you'll see a confirmation message. In most cases, the Robux will be added to your account instantly, but sometimes it can take a few minutes. And that's it, you can now start spending your Robux in Roblox. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.